This is the schematic design of a building created by a design architect in Formit. Formit is an intuitive 3D sketching tool for the conceptual design phase. Formit is available in the AC collection, both as a web-based tool and a desktop app. Something that's been around for a couple of years is the ability to start sharing session within Formit. A user activates a collaboration session and invites somebody from their team to do share editing. The link can be copied in an email and sent to a collaborator. The collaborator opens the link and has the ability to create additional markups, edit the model using the web interface, or use the model in a presentation design review to a different set of stakeholders. Another thing that we recently enabled Formit is the ability to save files directly into the common data environment, Autodesk Docs. By saving the design options into Docs, the architects or the different stakeholders can access that information immediately without the need of using another form of file exchange technology.